Using Walmart app to find the clearance is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how. Yes, can use Walmart app to find the clearance. So for that is simply have to go to your Walmart application, and in your Walmart application you have to tap on your account. After tapping on your account you simply have to tap on this wallet section, and here you have to keep on scrolling down until you see this scan and go option. You just simply have to tap on that. As you guys can see, you just need to buy this function, which is Walmart Plus, in order to get this feature. So after getting this feature you just simply have to open up this and you will be able to scan your product's barcode, and by scanning you will be able to find all the clearance, all the hidden prices, or all the taxes. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.